Many of our customers these days are moving from prototyping into low-volume plastics production with 3D printers, and we wanted to show you today a little bit about how you can produce low volumes of thin wall parts and add strong, fine threads to them. The way to do that is with Heatset Inserts. Here's an example of a 4mm insert that we're going to put in this part. These things are available from McMaster Carr, and if you use Fusion CAD, you can insert them into your models right from within the CAD system. Otherwise, hit McMaster Carr's website and you can get the soldering iron tips that you need for these, as well as a huge range of sizes of these things. So these are really great for doing things like these, the fasteners for these thin wall covers. So very simple to do. Put the insert on your soldering iron once it's warmed up, and give it a minute or two to heat. Here's a part that's ready to go. This is a 4mm insert, as I mentioned, for the side of this cover. The two top covers are 3mm. But once it's warmed up, it's really just a matter of putting it in place and let it sink into your part. Get it nice and square. Done. This is really a great technique for lots of assembly with 3D printed parts. Next time we'll talk more about bigger threads that you can actually just print in place. And in the case of our printer, when we have 3 nozzles and you can print with 3 different materials at the same time, you can do things like print gaskets in place, print a nice grip in place. So we'll get into that a little more next time around. Thanks.